Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how to hard reset Apple Airtag. Press down on the stainless steel backing of the Airtag. Rotate counterclockwise until the cover stops rotating to open the Airtag. Pull apart the two halves of the Airtag to access the battery. Remove the battery from the Airtag. Insert a new battery into the Airtag. Press down on the battery until it makes a sound. Repeat the battery removal and replacement process 4 times, pressing on the battery until you hear a sound each time. You need to hear a total of 5 sounds to ensure AirTag is reset. After completing the battery reset process, put the cover back on the AirTag. Align the 3 tabs on the cover with the 3 slots on AirTag. Press down on the cover until you hear a sound. Then rotate the cover clockwise until it locks in a place. Once you hear a chime, the AirTag has been reset and is ready to be paid again. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.